Team Pangat Kiss. This is my name is Dan. My name is Angie. Together as Danky. And this is
Cloud.
And I am Athena. So guys,
Together around
So guys, for today's
Ito po yung ginagamit namin para po sa gumana po yung TV namin.
Athena daw, corny ka, corny. And for tonight is mag-game kami. It's a challenge that what we go will listen and we don't judge. So the mechanics is we will say something na hindi pa nila alam na, you know, parang it's nakaka-turn off. Pero hindi sila pwede mag-judge.
Yes.
No reaction at all. No violence, reaction, emotional. And no.
Wow naman! Wow!
So, we're gonna start kay Dan.
Ano yan?
I-explain ko na!
Yeah. Break it down, yo. We listen and we don't judge. Tapos na.
Sinabi mo na kasi.
Dati meron akong crush. Pero secret.
We listen and we don't judge.
May naging crush ako sa kaibigan ko.
We listen and we don't judge. Naging crush ko si Cloud dati. We listen and we don't judge.
Emotional damage!
Gulat ako dun ah. We listen.
Nabigla siya!
May crush ako dati, Kinder.
Kinder.
We listen and we don't judge.
Dati, kala ko, babae si Cloud.
We listen and we don't judge.
Dati, ako nonchalant si Dan.
We listen and we don't judge. Una ko makita si Cloud. Noon ako makita si Cloud, kala ko ba bebeng babae siya. We listen and we don't judge.
Akala ko maliit si Dan dati.
We listen and we
Dati di ako mahilig sa coke.
We listen and we don't judge. Listen.
Kala ko dati si Athena is mataray.
We listen and we don't judge. Nung elementary ako, may nagbuhat sa akin malaking babae. Tapos kinagat ko siya, pero ang end up nun is umiyak ako and siya yung napagalitan ng teacher. We listen and we don't judge.
Dati kala ko kay Sanji. Super. Lansya lang talaga.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ako ulit.
Malupitan na. Malupitan na to.
Dati, kala ko mayabang si Cloud. We listen and we don't judge.
Baka may crush ako sa circle of friends
Kaya
natin.
namin yan. We listen and we don't judge. Nung una pa lang yung Danji, nakikringe ako sa kanila. We listen and we don't judge.
Noong una nagka-love team,
We listen and we don't judge.
noong una nagka-love team kami, or ako, is, nabiwirdohan talaga ako.
We listen and we don't judge.
Please subscribe our channel. Team Pangat Kids, let's go!
Yes, click the bell button. And sa FB page, our FB page, Team Pangat Kids Official. Please follow our personal page.
Dan Howard Forte or Dansoy Vlogs. At meron din akong YouTube channel, Dan Howard Forte TV ata. Basta, search nyo na lang. 50k subscribers.
And also me, my FB page is Zanji and my personal account is Zangeline and Zanji Utalat. My YouTube account is Zanji.
Yes, so my FB page and YouTube is Athena Chloe Flores and my TikTok is Athena Flores _20. My Instagram is Athena X Chloe. Ay, Flores.
Cloud Ramos in all social media.
Yeah! Bye guys!